YouTube. My name is Lucas, and I'm going to show you guys how to quickly install a Calendly plugin to your ClickFunnels site so that customers can go in and quickly book an appointment with you, and you'll get a notification directly to your email and on Calendly.com when somebody registers to speak with you. But before I do that, if you're not a current member of ClickFunnels.com, that's what we're building this plugin through, and that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do. There's going to be a link in the comment section below and the description. Full disclosure, I am an affiliate, but I use this service on a daily basis, and I strongly suggest that you sign up for ClickFunnels as well, because this will save your business time and make it more effective. So we're going to go into a quick page that you actually built. And if you're unfamiliar with how to use ClickFunnels, I suggest you subscribe, because I'm going to be putting out a ton of content on how to use ClickFunnels itself. But what you're going to do is click on to add a new element. Now this is super, super easy. And what you're going to want to do is scroll down and go into custom HTML and JavaScript. So you're going to see an orange box here. So we're going to quickly turn over to Calendly. This is the dashboard inside of Calendly. And what you're going to want to do is there's going to be a more button right here next to your times that you have associated with people allowing, book an appointment. You're going to click more. And what you're going to do after that step is you're going to click this drop down. Sorry about that. Not that drop down. You're going to click the gear icon. You're going to click embed. And then you're going to copy the embedded code. You can just click copy here. And then you're going to turn your attention over to the custom JavaScript, and you're just going to click it, open code editor, paste the code, close out, save, and then when you preview your page, you're going to see, boom. Let's take a quick look at it just to make sure everything worked. And bam, your Calendly plugin's working, and customers can quickly select the time they'd like to speak with you. This is super effective on a thank you page, which I'm using it now. But it's also very effective on home pages, and it really boosts customer appointments. Look forward to hearing how this works for you guys. And again, if you're trying to sign up for ClickFunnels, check the link in the description. Also, please hit the notification bell and the subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you next video.